Hello everyone. We are on chapter 5, trigonometric ratios. Okay, trigonometric ratios. I will divide this video into 4 parts. So for you to study maths every day. Okay? Okay, this is a simple topic, but first of all, you are learning something new. Okay, this is an easy topic, but this is something new to most of us. Okay, unless you go and study on your own. If not, these are really new to you. Okay, so we have this. You will see in this topic, you will always see right angle triangles. Okay. This rule only apply, these trigonometric rules only apply when you see right angle triangle. So this is very similar to chapter 13 in your Form 1. When you study Form 1, chapter 13, do you still remember chapter 13, Form 1? Okay, the last chapter, that is theorem Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, you only apply Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangles. Okay, if you have isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, then the same rule you cannot pakai, sudah tidak boleh pakai. Okay, right angle triangle only. So for this I think you still remember hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, triangle we have 3 sides. The side, how do you know this is a right angle triangle? You'll see a small box here. Normally you'll see a small box here. Okay, the side furthest away from the box. Okay, very far away from the box, we call hypotenuse. Or if you want to measure, then you will find out PR. This hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, this is the longest side, and it is slanted. Slanted means descending. Okay, they're slanted, slanted macam ini. Oh, this is a slanted line. This is the longest line. Okay, and after this we have two. Okay, opposite side and adjacent side. Okay, opposite side means jauh. Okay, adjacent means very near him. Okay, so we will see this first. You focus on X first. So this is your angle. So we know this is hypotenuse already, but we don't know which one is adjacent, which one is opposite. Okay, if you imagine you're X, the side nearer to you we call adjacent. Okay, the side very far from you, it is opposite side. Okay, you don't have to write hypotenuse, adjacent side, opposite side every time. So you can just shorten it. Hypotenuse, you write this as H. Okay, H for hypotenuse. Adjacent, you write it as A. A is the side very near you. Okay, actually very near you, we have two sides lah. One is H. One is this one. Okay, these two are very near, but one is slanted, one is hypotenuse. The other one is adjacent. Okay, so this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. The opposite side is very far away from you. Okay, so we shorten it to O. So you only write this way: O, H, and A. O, H, and A. Okay or not? Nothing hard. Okay, we'll go to the next triangle. Okay, you see. Okay, this is different. Okay, this triangle is a little different from this one. How different? So for the first triangle, we see we have X here. Okay. For the second triangle, okay, for the second triangle, the angle is here. Okay. Now you stand here. Just now you stand at the bottom, now you stand on top. Okay, now you are here, this is your angle. Only one side remains unchanged, the hypotenuse. So no matter where you stand, hypotenuse is still the longest side. Okay, if you measure it with a ruler, then hypotenuse masih paling panjang. So this is H. Okay. But for now, adjacent side and opposite side changes. Okay, if you stand here, this line will be nearer. Okay, this purple line will be very near to you. Okay, now this purple line becomes adjacent side. Then this green line will be further away from you. This green line we call opposite side. So you must understand now which one is adjacent, which one is opposite side. Okay, normally student won't get confused with hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the easiest to identify. Okay, it is the longest side. Yep, it is opposite the box. Okay, you see the green, you see the square box, then it is very far away from the square box. It is slanted. So hypotenuse, no problem. The only one, young other problem is this one, adjacent and opposite. Okay, try to take some time to figure this out. Okay, because this is important in order for you to solve other problems. Okay, let's see. Okay, we try a few questions on these. Okay, I know this is very easy for some of you. You try also. Okay, you can also view this video in 2 times speed. Okay, if you really feel this too easy, you really sudah pandai ma, so you just watch the video very quickly. Okay, so now remember you are here. Okay, now you are here. This line we know hypotenuse is this one, huh? So this is the longest side, this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, no problem. Then we have this blue line and the green line. Okay, if you are here, so which line is further away from you? Further away from you is opposite side. So the green line is further away from you, very far away from you. So we call this opposite side. Okay, then the blue line is nearer to you. So blue line we call adjacent side. Okay, so very easy. Any problem? If you got problem, you also cannot ask me. Ask your teacher. Okay, next. Now it is still the same triangle. So if it is the same triangle, then hypotenuse remains the same. Okay, this side is still hypotenuse, but for now, the A and O changes. Okay, because now you stand here. Okay, so this green line will be nearer to you now. And this purple line will be further away from you. Okay, because you are here. Okay, so purple line is very far. It is on the opposite end. This is the opposite side. Okay, green line is very near to you. It is by your side. So we call it adjacent. Do you remember the word adjacent? Do you remember when did you learn this word? Ayo. Did I post the video or what? Okay. Oh. No. It's okay. Am I recording? I think so. Oh, yes. I'm sorry. Okay, do you remember when did you learn the word adjacent? Okay, go and find out. Okay, we learned this. You learned this in Form 1. Okay, adjacent, angle, corresponding. Then I don't remember anymore. Okay, but I remember the value, how to calculate. I don't remember the names anymore. Okay. This green line will be very near to you. We call this A, adjacent side. Next, next. Okay, the next one. If you see this, you won't know which line is slanted. Okay, because ini pun sengit, garis ini pun sengit, garis ini pun sengit. So you don't know which one is the hypotenuse. So for this, you can measure using ruler. You use a ruler, then you try to find the longest side. The longest side which is furthest away from the box, this square box, we call hypotenuse. Okay? Then next you have to find out where are you. You stand here. You are R. You are Mr. Robert R here. This is you. Okay. So which line is nearer to you? So then the line nearer to you, this is the green line. This is the red line. Okay, so very clear. The green line is nearer to you. It is on top of your head. So this is A. Okay, adjacent. And the red line is very far away. This is O for opposite. So you must be able to identify A, H, and O. So try this exercise. Try this exercise, mind test 5.1a, page 109 in your textbook. So copy this into your exercise book. If not, after a few months, buku tulis kamu belum habis guna. So try to write them down. Okay, so this is a little different from what we do just now. Okay, because masih sama lah. Okay. Angle, we focus on triangle PQR first. So this is the that is the first peach color, this orange color triangle. So angle QPR. So now you are on P. You are here. Angle QPR, you are here. Okay? Then hypotenuse never changes. Hypotenuse for the first triangle is always PR. You can write this as PR. Should I make this larger? Or this is also P. Okay. Then opposite side is you are here. So opposite QR. You can either write them as QR or RQ. The other way around pun boleh. Okay. Adjacent side is the side nearer to you. So it is PQ. PQ or QP. So very easy. You try to answer these. Then you check your answer. Your answer ada di belakang buku. Okay. Thank you.